5 plugins for DaVinci Resolve that I think you must at least try. Number 5. Red Giant Universe 3. Universe is a collection of 89 GPU accelerated plugins for editors and motion graphics artists. A collection of presets and effects, from styles and transition to text and motion graphics. A ton of tools that you probably will never use, but it's a good ego booster that makes you feel above average filmmaker. The cost is $16 per month annually, or $30 monthly. Number 4. Film Convert Nitrate. If you always wanted that organic film look, but you also happen to have a life and you don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of time learning all that bizarre tools, don't worry, Film Convert will do the work for you. Just select your camera profile and the film print you want. Now you can call yourself a colorist. The price is reasonable enough, $139. Number 3. Boris FX Continuum. The Swiss Army knife of plugins. The post-production industry's most complete plugin collection, delivers nearly 350 creative effects in 20 categories, 4,000 plus presets, built-in Academy Award-winning Mocha planar tracking and masking, a beat reactor that drives VFX to music and the FX browser. The price for this is almost free, I barely need to mention it. You can get it with just the small amount of $1,395. Like I said, almost free. Number 2. Silhouette. Silhouette is the best, and I think the only plugin for rotoscope and painting out there. If you don't know what rotoscope is, then this is definitely not for you. After all, the price for this is $1,795, so it's not for everyone. And finally, in the first place of the list, in my opinion the best plugin out there, comes from Boris FX again, Sapphire. Sapphire plugins let you create stunning organic looks unmatched by any host native effect tools. Key features include over 270 effects and 3,000 plus presets. If there is a must-have all-in-one plugin, then this is it. As for the price, $2,795. But there is also a bundle option, so if you happen to be a relative of Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, or a member of the Rockefeller family, then you can give $6,000 and buy the Boris FX complete set to level up your work. Or, with that amount of money, you can hire Quentin Tarantino to make your movie. Anyway, of course there are free trial version for every plugin in the list, so try them out, and then spend half of your life searching the web for a free full version of them.